You're watching Wisdom from the Docks, simple lessons for powerful living, right here in nature. So I entitled today's lesson, Presence. Feeding the fish only works if I'm present. If I'm distracted, I miss the moment. Presence is power. When I slow down just enough to notice what's happening right here, right now, life becomes just a little bit richer. You feel me? You just feels different. You know, one of the things I've learned is the past is gone. I'm learning to understand that the future isn't here yet. But right now, right this particular second, presence is alive. And presence is just waiting for me to engage with it. So, be here, be in the now, because that's where life, that's where power truly lives. Well, that's it for today.